Hey guys, Chris from the New Jersey Ghostbusters here with a Proton pack opened up to show you how we do our audio kits. So this is a HasLab wand, standard blister card two-way speaker. You can go a little bigger, a little smaller. This one just happens to fit the pack well, and was what I was able to find at Walmart at the time. A little bit of an older pack, has an X-ray light kit. But as for the audio side of things, I'm using the aux output mod from the Matty collector. And that is going through the hose, aux cable, wired into this $16 for two from Amazon at the current pricing amplifier. So 100 watt mono amplifier. It gets its power from a DeWalt battery. We're using a 3D printed DeWalt power plug. So it slides right in. So I got 20 volts, 18 really, but 20 volt battery they say, powering this. There's a switch on the back of the pack, hidden behind the Alice frame. And these batteries, they just power the LEDs. It's only 9 volt for that, so kind of a big difference. So I got to use the 20 volt separate for the audio. And then the out goes out to the speaker. So pretty straightforward and pretty powerful. There is a volume adjuster here on this amplifier, although I have it down at 12 to 20% volume, somewhere in there. Not much at all. This thing has a lot of power, more than the speaker can actually handle, which is great because running an amplifier low, it uses less power, makes less heat, and is happy and lasts a lot longer. So that's the setup inside our packs.